In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste data into a Confluence table and publish your changes. First, start by opening the Confluence page that already contains the table you want to update. Make sure you're on the correct page and that you have permission to make edits. If you're working from a shared space, confirm you're in the right space and the right version of the page, so you don't overwrite someone else's work. Once the page loads, click Edit at the top to enter the editor. If you don't see the edit option, you might not have the necessary permissions, or the page could be restricted. In that case, check with your space admin before proceeding. When the editor opens, give it a second to fully load the table tools so everything behaves as expected during the paste. Next, switch to the source of your data, the other table or spreadsheet you want to copy from. Select the exact range you need, including headers if you plan to bring them over. It's a good idea to clean up the source first. Remove extra blank rows or columns and ensure dates, numbers, and text are in the format you want. Then copy the selection using your usual copy command. Return to your Confluence page and click directly inside the table cell where you want the top left corner of your pasted data to begin. This is important because Confluence will place your content relative to that cell. Double check that you're in the correct row and column before pasting. Now paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Confluence will populate the cells and expand the table as needed to fit your data. If you notice unwanted formatting carrying over, you can undo and try a plain text paste if your browser supports it, then reapply simple styling within Confluence. Keep an eye on special characters and line breaks to ensure they appear correctly. After the paste, review the table formatting. Adjust column widths by dragging the borders so your content is readable without excessive wrapping. Confirm that headers look consistent, alignment is correct, and any numeric or date columns are displaying properly. If the table feels crowded, consider shortening long text in the source before repasting, or widen key columns to improve clarity. Scan a few rows to verify nothing shifted out of place. When everything looks good, click Publish to save your changes and make them visible to your team. Give the page a quick final read to confirm the update appears as expected. That's it. Your data is now in Confluence, cleanly pasted and ready to share.